Good morning, lifers. We got something special for you today.
Yes.
So we are in front of the brand new Post Malone partnership with 𝐟𝐸𝐻𝐻's Dallas Cowboy themed location.
All right.
We want to take you inside. We're going to show you what's going on, but first we got to take in everything that's going on outside.
So to give you a little bit of history about why Post Malone decided to do this, so I'm sure you guys, as you guys know, he opened a 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐿𝐻 in Utah, which has a pink theme to it, and that's where he owns a house. However, he grew up in Grapevine. His dad used to be the food and beverage director for Dallas Cowboys, so he was a diehard Dallas Cowboy fan.
Yep.
Loved chicken fingers, and Dallas Cowboys love chicken fingers and love Post Malone, so why not? They got the trio right here, northwest side of Dallas, and this place is cool. I can't wait to give you guys the tour. Let's go.
Let's go.
They took it a step further. This is so awesome. I love how they're taking Post Malone and just really dumping it, into this idea. It's so awesome. So, on stage, Post Malone loves to drink out of solo cups. Well, look what we have here. A table that is a solo cup, or a solo cup that's a table, right? Then we got the chairs right here. Isn't that awesome?
Can you move it? It doesn't move.
No.
So there's one flipped over, look like a solo cup, and then there's some sort of game pattern down on the floor.
That's cool.
There's a solo cup table. So she just made a valid point. Maybe it is to mimic beer pong. That's what it is. This is a beer pong setup. So it's like a beer pong game out here in front of the building.
So not only did they make the landscaping, it's awesome, right? It's real nice. They took these blue rocks, guys, and put them down also. It's all over the place. And then they have the gray bricks down here as the sidewalk. It's really cool. I love how they decorated this place. It's awesome.
Yeah.
A lot of thought. All right, guys, let's go see what's inside. The outside, we just agreed, looks awesome. I'm ready to go inside and see what it looks like in there. Come on, guys. So we made it inside and it is awesome. It does not disappoint, guys. They have his concert outfits all over, as you can see. They even have them up here on the ceiling with their blue tiles, busted guitars from concerts. Man. So we have where you can buy souvenirs from the location. I believe they got cups, keychains, let's see, koozies, hats. They got all kinds of stuff. And then right here, you can write Post Malone a note if you would like. Maybe a love letter if you want. And then put it right there, and then he'll come and pick it up.
You don't write him a note?
I'm gonna write him a note, guys. And then look at this. Look at this wall right here. So you stand right here and you see 𝐟𝐸𝐻𝐻. You stand right here and you see Post Malone. Man, well thought out. This is well thought out. There's another one.
guys, this place is completely cowboy colors, cowboy theme, a bunch of blue, a bunch of silver, stainless steel, blue lights behind these, or these blue panels with lights behind them. And, I mean, this place is almost like a nightclub. When you walk in here, the energy is crazy. I can see how people are going to be attracted to this place. This will probably end up being one of the most popular locations, just based on how it's laid out. Take a look at the interior. So guys, the food made it to the table and it looks just like the classic. We ordered the 𝐾𝐨𝐬 and it looks just like all the rest of the locations. I already snuck one fry in and it tastes just like the rest. So we're gonna enjoy this lunch and probably head out of here in a little bit. And what else we got planned? We don't know, we'll figure it out. We had a great day visiting this 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 location. The new decorations, the new style, combined with Post Malone and the Dallas Cowboys, just sets it off. And it's going to be a special place for a long time to come. Anyway, we're off to another adventure. Thank you guys for stopping at our channel to watch this video. We want to take this moment to thank everyone that's supporting our channel, all the comments, the feedback. We truly appreciate it, and we thank each and every one of you. Guys, remember to get outside and enjoy it because
there's life out there.
Let's start over. Good morning, guys. We're coming to you from right in front of... Yeah, all right, let's go. All right, let's go.
All right, guys, look. So they took it a step further. So y'all know how Post Malone get on the stage, be drinking from those Dixie cups. I'm sorry, the solo cup cut. Let me try it again. Should we figure out like what these are?
Bust a guitar for this concert.
Okay. Well, I figured that, but I didn't know if it was any more. Whatever. Are we rolling?
Yes, you are.